Namaskar. My name is Akshay Padwalkar and my presentation topic is changes in appeal and revision procedure under Bharatiya Nagrik Suraksha Samhita. Generally, appeal is right of carrying a case from inferior to superior court with view to ascertain whether the judgment of inferior court is sustainable or not. As per section 372 of CRPC or section 413 of Bharatiya Nagrik Suraksha Samhita, no person can file appeal against any decision of the criminal court unless it is expressly provided by any law in existence. Means appeal is creation of statute and it is not a inherent right. Now in Bharatiya Nagrik Suraksha Samhita, in section 413 to section 435 of chapter 31, there are provisions regarding procedure of appeal which corresponds to the section 373 to 395 of chapter 29 of the criminal procedure. But however, when I made comparison of provisions in both these corresponding statutes, I found nothing but just copy paste of provisions, because there is not any such provisions in Bharatiya Nagrik Suraksha Samhita which can deliver any remarkable or revolutionary transformation in appeal or revision procedure which was established earlier by criminal procedure. But however, we can note down some minor changes which are bring out under Bharatiya Nagrik Suraksha Samhita. Earlier in CRPC, in section 374, subsection 3, it was provided that a person convicted on trial held by court of session or assistant session judge or magistrate of first class or magistrate of second class, it can file appeal against such conviction. But now in Bharatiya Nagrik Suraksha Samhita, in corresponding provision in section 415 subsection 3, these provision regarding metropolitan magistrate and assistant session judge are removed because actually the metropolitan magistrate and assistant session judge are not in existence under BLSS. Further, in section 376 clause A, actually the section 376 of the CRPC deals with the appeal in PT cases. So clause A of section 376 of CRPC provides that when High Court passes sentence only of imprisonment not exceeding 6 months and of fine not exceeding 1,000 rupees or both, in such condition person cannot file appeal against such sentence. But in Bharatiya Nagrik Suraksha Samhita, in corresponding section 417 clause A, this limitation of imprisonment to bar the right of appeal under this section is reduced to 3 months. Further, in clause B of section 376, there is provision that if a person is if metropolitan magistrate or magistrate of first class use sentence of not exceeding 3 months or fine of 300 rupees or 200 rupees or whatever, or both, In such condition also person cannot file appeal. But now there is no existence of metropolitan magistrate in BNSS. So this provision of metropolitan magistrate also is removed. In last, in conclusion, I want to mention one recent judgment of Kerala High Court, Abdul Khader versus State of Kerala. There was trial was held under CRPC, but person wanted to file appeal against judgment, because judgment was also delivered as per procedure under CRPC. But now question was whether procedure of appeal may be governed under CRPC or Bharatiya Nagrik Suraksha Sanhita. Their observation of Honorable High Court of Kerala was that person cannot claim the application of procedure as a part of substantive right. So application of procedure can be applied as per provision under new law.